Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be fishing at Mantua for just some plain largemouth bass. So the weather today is kind of cloudy. It looks like it might rain, but we're going to go try some fishing anyway. If there's any lightning, we're going to leave instantly because I don't feel like being electrocuted. And I'll be showing you how I've been catching fish there lately. But other than that, enjoy the show. So today, I'm going to be rocking the black and blue jig. I don't remember who this is by, but I'll tell you in a little bit. This jig is from somebody, and then this crayfish trailer is from somebody different. And I've got it spooled up on this baitcaster Abu Garcia Black Max and an ugly stick. Yeah, it's too soft over here. And what I meant by too soft was the ground was too soft. It had too much vegetation there. I'm looking for a little bit of harder structure on the bottom. Throw my jig on. Yep. Always pretty big. All right, not too bad. What do you think? Probably 2.5? Yeah, 2.5? What are you, dumb? All right, probably 2.5. See how much he weighs. Well, there he goes. All right, so 2-pound bass. All right. Yeah? See what I mean by a jig? Not everyone can fish a jig, but those who can are rewarded. Sorry, caught this one off camera, about the same size, 2.5 pounds, maybe. About 3 pound. I believe just under 3 pound. Yes! Fuck yes! Oh! On the black and blue jig. Let's see if I can get a really good release. So let me show you guys what I did. So right in there, I think there was a bed or something. Well, that was a really ugly cast, but I basically just cast it in there, slow jiggle, pull it across the bottom. All right, guys, let's see if you can see this. She's kind of swimming away, but we'll see what we can do. This is a really big fish. I think they're spawning right now because they won't bite anything. There's a really big one, probably 3, 4, maybe 5 pounds. And then there's a smaller one, probably a pound. So let's see if we can get you in there. Alright guys, I hope you saw that footage of that huge bass and that small bass, but it's getting really cold. I'm a little wet, so we're gonna head home. Alright, see ya.